Write down this. Now E we have to solve. Both the answer. 1/4 the sum of A and B. 1/4 the sum of A and B. Thus, wait no my dear. Wait. 1/4 the sum of A and B. Because I have to teach all the students. I have to take care of all the students. So do not reveal the suspense before we focus the question. 1/4 the sum of A and B. 1/4 the sum of A and B. 1/4 means, yes, 1/4 means 1/4. 1/4 of which number? Sum of A and B. So not multiplied by sum of A and B means A plus B. A plus B you will write in the bracket. A plus B you will write, because here sum of A and B, no? Sum of A and B. Mute the microphone. Because it is 1/4 of 1/4 the sum of 1/4 of which number? 1/4 of sum of A and B. So 1/4 of means multiplication. Which number? Sum of A and B. In bracket we write A plus B. So this is same as multiplied numerator, denominator. So A plus B, denominator I can take 1. Now you have to multiply numerator. You have to multiply denominator. So A plus B into 1 will be A plus B. That will be A plus B. A plus B into 1, A plus B. Then divide by 4 into 1, 4. Write down. So this is my final answer. A plus B upon 4. Everything. Yes. Yes, everything should be written. You put the arrow, no? Arrow means numerator to numerator. Arrow means denominator to. No, my dear, no cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this way. We are doing direct multiplication. Here there is direct multiplication of numerator, direct multiplication of denominator. Cross multiplication means this side. Cross multiplication means this. This way means direct multiplication. Numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator. And when we because how 4 has come? 4 into 1. Directly I have written. No, my dear. 2 plus 3 same as 2 into 3. Tell me. 2 plus 3 same as 2 into 3. No. It is A plus B. Sum of A and B. Means it is A plus B. It is not product of A and B. If it is product of A and B means I can take A into B. Let me see now. E, now F, understood? Direct multiplication of numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Then M taken away from twice N. Mute the microphone, yes. Who is not listening? Mute the microphone. Otherwise next period I will definitely not allow. M taken away. Next period definitely I will not admit. M taken away from twice N. M taken away from twice N. M taken away from twice N. So there are two variables, M and N. taken away means subtracted. Taken away means subtracted, or you can say taken away means removed. Removed means minus. Taken away means minus. Subtracted means minus. So m is subtracted from which number? Twice n. Means 2 into twice. TWICE. So twice n means 2n. Twice n means 2n. From this, which number we are taking away? M. Taking away means minus m. So that is 2n minus m. Twice n minus m. From twice n we are taking away m. From twice n we are taking away. Yes, this is the answer. This is the, because it is twice n, no? Twice means 2 times n. So from twice n means 2n. We are taking away means minus which number? M. So 2n minus m. My dear, I have directly written 2 into n is same as 2n. 3 into q, I have explained you, 3 into q is same as 3q. Similarly, 2n is same as 2 into n. Now fourth, now we'll solve fourth problem. Write the following statement. Write the following statements. Write the following statements. Write the following statements. F, only F, 2F. Write the following statements in mathematical form. Write the following statements in mathematical